I'm meteorologist Sam Gabrielli with your Weather Impact Tropics update. We still are tracking Francine. This is the latest update as of 1 p.m. on your Tuesday, Eastern time at least. And this is the latest on Francine. Wind of 65 miles an hour, moving northeast at 8. And you see all these clouds and the whiteness on the satellite imagery. The brighter the color, the more intensification that's going on in this storm. So that means that the outer bands of Francine are continuing to strengthen and develop some thunderstorms, which means Francine will get stronger and stronger with time. So Francine will be making her way to the north and east and projected to become a Category 1 hurricane, likely striking the Louisiana coast with the Gulf of Mexico, likely Wednesday evening around 8 p.m. That's the timing the National Hurricane Center does have on Francine. And then Francine, with time into Thursday morning very late, will be turning into a tropical storm. And with that said, Francine will continue to be packing quite the punch, marching up the Mississippi Valley and eventually into the Ohio River Valley. Western Kentucky, southeastern Missouri is where the eye of Francine will be staying. But then again, with pretty weak conditions, wind of only 30 with it as it treks its way into much of the deep Mississippi Valley heading into the morning hours on Friday. Now, when it's all said and done with rainfall tallies, it could be a bit significant. Models are showing along the Mississippi Valley upwards of 2 to 5 inches of rain from Memphis, Tennessee down towards Jackson, Mississippi, where there could be a half foot of rain in the forecast. And I also do want to mention, this is what we're also concerned about, is storm surge. Normally in a Category 1 hurricane, you get minimal storm surge and minimal damage, but you can still get several shingles off roofs and homes, get a lot of large trees that are down and power outages. If Francine does strike as a Category 2 hurricane, that means the storm surge could be as high as 5 to 8 feet. Wind could be between 96 to 110 miles an hour with moderate damage. That means we could be seeing near or total power loss with the remnants of Francine as it continues to drill much of the Louisiana coastline from the Gulf of Mexico. And I do want to leave you with this as we take a look at other areas of development which could be making for some additional storms in the Atlantic Basin. We're given about a 40% chance via the National Hurricane Center of development with this tropical wave that is continuing to march its way westbound in the Atlantic Basin. That's your Tropics Update. We'll have much more throughout the course of the week.